about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much for joining me for today's Makeup Monday. We're doing another date night. I have been dressed for hours because I've had some appointments and I've had to go out. Finally, after months and months, maybe potentially years, I straightened my hair. I have not bothered to straighten my hair in such a long time and I feel fancy even without wearing makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and do said makeup right now because we're in a little bit of a time crunch. We don't have to go out quite yet, but my mom's coming over to watch the kids and I just need to get everything prepared. I still have another video to edit if I have time. So I'm going to start with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir, my favorite product. I can't get over how much that product makes me feel so good. I don't know. It's just something you guys would have to try it. A lot of people say on the reviews that it's like worthless, it's kind of pointless. It's supposed to be a toner, but there's something about it. It's like that magic special ingredient that, you know, some people just love their products. It just depends. Okay, next, I'm going to use a few e.l.f. products today. Some more drugstore, lower, like cheaper drugstore products. The first one is my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I found this at Walmart. And I'm not going to use it extensively. The only area I'm using it is around my nose area because I find that's where my pores mostly are. I might use some on my forehead. I don't know if this will actually work in my forehead expression lines, but I'll see. I'll put some on my chin as well. I haven't actually used this product in a long time. It's been a very long time. Okay, so I'm basically just going to press it in. And usually, when it comes to any product, less is more. Okay, I'm also going to use my favorite primer ever, my Hydrogrip Milk Makeup. Yeah, it's called Milk Makeup Hydrogrip Primer. Love it. I'm only going to do one pump because I've already primed once. Okay, I'm going in with my brush now, my flat, or it's actually my round kabuki brush. I'm also going to use another e.l.f. product, but a few e.l.f. products today. This is my Camo CC cream. It's like the It Cosmetics brand. Color correcting full coverage natural finish foundation, SPF 30. This is the shade light 240. I'll use the back of my hand to apply it. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to put my brush in the product and start blending. So I'll blend this out and we'll be right back. Okay, that looks flawless. Like, look at this, you guys. This is full coverage. I've never used any concealer yet, and look at my skin. It looks so good. I'm really impressed. For concealer, I'm not sure if this one's too dark. This is the shade Light Beige. It is the Hydrating Camo Concealer, but I think it might be too dark. Let me see. It might be very close to the same shade. I just want to try a little bit and see. It might be okay. I don't know. I think it would be really good for like dark spots, but I feel like it's still too dark. I don't know. It kind of looks the same color on camera. But I will add a little bit of a lighter color just in case. I'm going to go in with my Kosas as well. Is this number 5? No, this is 04N. Yeah, I don't know. That kind of looks like the same color. So I'm going to go in with my Sigma concealer brush. This is the Precision Angled P84. This looks so good, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush and blend around my eye area. And I'm basically done. Like, wow. Okay, so before everything settles in, I'm going to add powder. I was going to use my Tilbury, which is, you know, obviously higher end, but I think I changed my mind. I'm going to use my Hourglass instead. Do I want to use Hourglass or do I want to use Jeffree Star? Ooh. Let's see. I think we'll go in with Jeffree Star. Okay, I feel like that just looks so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and darken up my brows now. I'm going to do that off camera. And I don't think I'm doing any shadow today. Maybe I'll do like some kind of sparkly shadow on the lid. So now I don't think I want to contour today because I'm going to do red lipstick. I haven't done red lipstick in such a long time, but I'm going to put some blush on. For blush, I'm going in with my favorite palette. This is my most recent palette that I purchased, the Nars Rising Star blush palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade because I'm going to focus on lips and cheeks today. Something I haven't done in a long time, and I'm excited for this look. This is a very potent blush color. Technically, this blush formula isn't overly opaque, but this color is a little bit loud. So I'm just going to go in with a light hand. And we're going to do a lot of blending. But do you see, as soon as I put on that blush, my lips kind of fade away. So I feel like, I don't know if that's something that you can see on camera, but I feel like I'm going to need some nice lipstick. And in order for my lipstick not to fade throughout the night, I'm totally going in with matte lipstick, even though I don't love it because it does just feel so drying. I think that looks really good. Yeah, I don't even think I want to wear eyeliner today. I'm just going to wear lashes. I don't think I've done that. I don't think I've ever done that. I might wear liquid liner on the top. I'll use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Is going to be my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I'm going to wear the same lashes that I did last week, and hopefully they're okay. I think they are. They might be a little long. I don't know. But before I go any further, I'm going to do highlighter right now while I am here. I'm going to do inner corner, even though I have no shadow on, which is crazy. I feel like my eyes are so naked. But again, different look, different night, different look. I'm going to go back over this with my blush, I think. I don't know. I guess I don't have to. Maybe I will. There. Okay. So now what I want to do is spray my face with my setting spray. I'll use a Charlotte Tilbury. Oh. Okay, just a light spray. And now I'm going to go in with my liner. So I'm going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm going to do this mascara, lashes, off camera, and then we'll come back for lips. Be right back. Okay, guys, I think those eyelashes are on. I had to take out my earrings because this earring kept like ripping as I have to like switch earrings. I have to do something different. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm going to put on lipstick. Part of me wants to not put on lipstick. I think this looks really pretty, but I also want like a standout like feature. So I just need to find out which lip liner I want to use today. And do I want to do a bright red lipstick or do I want to do a dark red lipstick? I feel like I want to do a brighter lipstick. So I want to see what lipsticks I have. One that I usually always go to is my Jeffree Star, but I feel like it's not very, I feel like it's kind of like a brick red. So I want to do something different. I found one that I'm really liking. So I'm going to use this one called High Maintenance. Ooh, that's actually orange. Probably not the best color. Hold on. Let's go back and reassess. So this is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner True Instant Color in 02. True Red. That's this one here. These are really cheap and they're Drugstore again. Also Drugstore is my Revlon Ultra AD Matte Lip Color. And this is the shade HD Romance 660. I haven't used this forever. I hope it's still okay. So I'm going to go ahead. Usually what I do is I put on the lipstick first and then I line to keep everything in place. So let's see what it looks like. It actually smells like cherries. That's how I feel. Speaking of cherries, I think I want to wear my, is it called Wild Cherry? The one by Tom Ford. I can't remember the name of it. So I kind of go as close to the lip line as I can without going over. Oh, looks like my lips are so small. Then we're going to line the rest of the way. Okay, that looks much better. And then what we're going to do is one more coat. Oh, my furnace just came on. One more coat over the lip liner of this lipstick. I really like this look. It's like so bright. I'm loving it. Wow. Okay, I think I'm liking it. I need to find another pair of earrings. But we'll do that. I think the eyelashes are sticking. I'll probably take my glue just in case. And then the only other thing that's kind of bugging me is this line right here. I don't like having a line with my blush. Just going to blend that, and I don't want to bring it down too much more, but I'll kind of take my blush brush and my powder brush and just blend that line out. Okay, what do you guys think? As long as I don't get lipstick on my teeth, once it dries, it should be good to go. So that's it for date night makeup look. I'm going to do one more spray of setting spray. And we're good. I don't have tons of eyeshadow on. Whoops. I don't have tons of eyeshadow on, so I feel like I don't need as much setting spray for some reason. But I'm going to bring my lip liner, my lipstick, my tweezers, and my glue, my eyelash glue, just in case. And my baby's crying. That's my cue to head on downstairs and check to see what's going on. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Click on the bell button to receive notifications when I upload new content. And I will see you guys next time. Happy date night.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.